Welcome everybody to another episode of Personal Injury Talk South Africa. With me again today, Mr. Marco Lotaloga.
Thank you, Mr. Adela. Thank you for inviting me. Could you explain to us what are general damages?
General damages is a lump sum amount that the Road Accident Fund can pay if a victim qualifies under the new regulations. General damages basically is a payment for loss of amenities or enjoyment of life. For instance, where a person can't do or cope as he did before an accident. For instance, if he was a keen golfer or he played soccer and he can't do that anymore. All of those enjoyment elements in a person's life that he can't do or function after the accident, the Road Accident Fund tries and determines an amount that would make that person feel better about him or herself after the accident. Now, obviously, it's a very difficult thing to determine, and the way that we as attorneys try and get as close to a correct figure is by way of using case law. In other words, we refer to matters that have been previously heard in court and where the courts has made an allocation for a particular injury, for instance, for a fractured femur or a person that suffered scarring. We look at what was allocated in the past and we apply inflation and we try and determine what that figure is. But it is very important for the viewers to realize that everybody doesn't necessarily qualify for general damages, because in terms of the regulation you have to be 30% whole person impaired, and that is a very high percentage to get to in order to qualify for general damages.
Thank you, Mr. Adela. I appreciate your time.
It's a pleasure.
Award-winning law firm Gerdnal Incorporated has made a name for itself as one of the leaders in personal injury claims, and specifically claims against the Road Accident Fund and medical negligence cases. Gerdnal Incorporated, the personal injury lawyers.